Hello students, today we are going to discuss how to install vulnerability scanner tool. The one tool is the Nessus. We are going to discuss Nessus today. Okay, so first of all, open your browser and surf about the Nessus. So just Google it. You will get the link from the Tenable. Tenable is the parental website of the Nessus. Open it. Okay, so you can see free download. Okay, so Nessus Essential is the free version, but that is very limited to scan only 16 IPs. Okay, so that cannot be used for the network where more than 60 systems or 16 IPs are there. For that you need to buy that. Okay, so free version you can scan only 16 IPs. So click on the download. Okay, once you will click on the download, then you will find the options like you need Nessus for the Windows or Linux or what kind of operating system. Okay, so you need to register yourself. Okay, I have already registered myself, so it will because Nessus needs activation code. So first you need to register yourself. You will have to provide the first name, last name and the email ID. So you will get the register code on your email ID. So once you will download the particular Nessus software, if you are using Windows, then download the MSI file. If you are using Linux, then according to the Linux version, download that. Okay, I have already downloaded that. Let me show you. So open the folder in my downloads. So you can see there is Nessus already is there. So open the terminal here. Okay, open the terminal, then let me start root. Okay, so here you will type. Okay, first let me check the directory. You can see Nessus is there. Now type the dpkg, that is Debian package -i, then Nessus, then click on the install. Okay, so because I have already installed, so this is not going to install because it is already installed in my system. Okay, so next what you will do, actually when you will install this, you will get some path. Okay, in duration of the installation you will get path from the Nessus. Okay, for example http:// then you will get, let me show you the path also. History. So this is the link actually. Okay, so let me show you. So this link you will find https:// because my system name is Vivek, so I am getting this name Vivek, and 8834, that is a port number. So on this port basically Nessus is running. Okay, so when you will install, you will get that link. Just click on this link, then it will ask for the particular username and the password. So you can enter any username and password. Okay, then it will ask for the activation code. So you need to put the activation code what you received on your email. I told you in the very beginning that you need to register yourself for the Nessus Essential, then only you will get the code on your email. Okay, so put that code there, then it will start updating. It will take almost 20 to 40 minutes because it will update all the plugins and it will compile all the plugins, then it will take time. So after completion of all the plugins installation, you will find this screen. Okay, once you can see this screen, means Nessus has been installed in your system. Now what you need to do, when you find when you need to scan the new IP, just click on new scan. You can see all these options. So few are in the premium version only. For example, mobile device scan. So mobile device scan is in the premium version only, but basic network scan is there. Just click on the basic network scan. Okay, so the actually window will open. You need to enter the IPs there. So you can see this one. You can enter any name, for example Windows, a description, my operating system, folder if you have any folder, so I can put it in my scans. Target. So now target, I can put the target, like for example 192.168.0.2. okay, so this is my local IP, so I can put this IP as the target. Click on the save. Okay, so now you can see Windows, this one. Okay, so this one, when you will click on the launch, so Nessus will begin scanning the vulnerabilities present in that particular IP. So this is how network is Nessus is working actually. So I have already scanned my operating system, so this is the results. You can see this is host IP, and what are the vulnerabilities? These are the vulnerabilities you can see. So critical vulnerabilities, there is one critical vulnerability. Okay, then mixed medium information. If you will click on this vulnerability, you will find more details about the vulnerability. Okay, like what is the description about these vulnerabilities, and what is the solution. So even you can see all the details, right? So this is the all about the Nessus. You can explore it. Just try to find out the vulnerabilities in different type of operating system, and in even your virtual machines also. So please keep exploring. Thank you. You can put your questions in the comment box. Thank you guys.